Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but this is how I field clean trout. Just cut up the middle, then cut right here where the gills come in. Grab all this, the front fins, just pull it. All the guts come out, then you run your thumb up the bloodline. Clean that out. Clean it out real good. Done. Super easy. Do it again on this one. Run the knife all the way up. Cut the gills, grab all this with these front fins, and just pull it. All the guts come right out. Grab any that's left. Run your thumb up the bloodline. Clean them out. Real fast, real easy.